Hello everyone, we're gonna discuss sample problem in the topic thermodynamics and heat transfer. This is in chapter 12, heat transfer by radiation. A furnace has the following dimensions: R is equal to H equal to 2 meters. The furnace is maintained at constant temperatures of 500, 700, and 1200 Kelvin on its base, top, and side surfaces, which are all black. Determine the net rate of radiation heat transfer to or from the top surface during steady operation. We have the given here, height 2 meters, and the temperature sub 1 is equal to 700 Kelvin. We have emissivity. Emissivity is equal to 1 since they are all black. And then the radius sub 1 and 2, we have 2 meters. And temperature sub 2 is equal to 1200 Kelvin. Temperature sub 3 is equal to 500 Kelvin. We have also the Stefan-Boltzmann constant, which is 5.67 times 10 raised to negative 8 watt per meter squared times Kelvin raised to 4. Next slide, we have steady operating conditions exist. So convection heat transfer is not considered. So the net rate of radiation heat transfer from the top surface can be determined from this equation. And this is the net rate of the radiation heat transfer. So this equation. And then at first, we're gonna get the area sub 1 by this equation, pi r squared. So r is equal to 2 meters, and we'll get this 12.57 meters squared. So the view factor from the base to the top surface of the cylinder is F sub 12 is equal to 0.38 from the figure. The view factor from the base to the side surfaces is determined by applying the summation rule to be F sub 11 plus F sub 12 plus F sub 13 is equal to 1. So we have here, we'll get this F sub 13. So F sub 13 is equal to 1 minus F sub 12. So F sub 12 is 0.38, right? So we get this 0.62. Okay, moving on to the first equation at the top. In this equation, we'll get this equation. Okay, copy the equation, and then let's substitute all the given because we already gathered the F sub 13. So let us all substitute these numbers to the equation and calculate it all. Using your calculator, after calculating this all, we'll get this answer, negative 7.62 times 10 raised to 5 watts, or converted to kilowatts. So we have here negative 762 kilowatt. So the negative sign indicates that the net heat transfer is to the top surface. So that is why it is negative. And that's all for this video.